Hello students, this is Rashmi Singh ma'am once again in front of you all, and today I am going to give you the summary of the fourth chapter of the Flamingo, that is the rat trap. And this is written by Selma Lagerlöf, who is a Swedish writer. And before I start giving you the summary, I have got lots of phone calls, emails and comments of students thanking me and thanking me from the bottom of their heart that I am doing a great work for them. Students, you do great, and that is what I aspire from. The best part is that their mommies are also telling me and calling that they are listening to my Breaking In series and learning a lot of English, and they're happy. Lot of English, no, that's wrong. Lot of English words, and they're happy how to put these words into sentences and go ahead. I'm really happy, students, that I'm doing something for you and your mommies. But with this, I have got a few suggestions also, which I would like to share with you. Many students have shared that, ma'am, if you can speak in Hindi in the summaries, we would be really indebted to you. That means they were asking me that while you are teaching the chapter, you please do not speak in Hindi, but when you are giving the summary before the chapter, please give it in Hindi also, so that it goes into my mind. So dear students, since Hindi is a mother tongue and I take pride in it, so today the summary would be both in English and Hindi, though I still stress this that an English lesson should be taught in English only, but the summary I would be giving you in Hindi as well as in English. So let's start. This rat trap chapter is all about a peddler. Peddler. Who is a peddler? Who goes on his feet from one place to another, selling few things and trying to run his life. So here the peddler was selling rat traps, and that was made of all iron wire and stuff like these. So he was just selling rat traps, but you think that by selling rat traps he could have suffice his hunger? क्या आप सोचते हो कि ये चूहेदानी को बेचकर अपनी वो भूख को मिटा लेगा? जी नहीं, ऐसा नहीं था. एक चूहेदानी के सहारे वो अपनी जिंदगी नहीं काट सकता था. सो जब वो एक जंगल से दूसरे जंगल जाता था या एक पथ से दूसरी पथ पे भटकता था अपने रैट ट्रैप्स को बेचने के लिए, when he was loitering from one path to another, when he was going from one road to another selling his rat traps, so many kinds of things he was always thinking and stories. So one fine day, while he was going from one place to another, he was in his own meditations. मतलब जब वो बेचने के लिए निकलता था रैट ट्रैप्स, तो वो अपनी सोच में होता था, कुछ कुछ वो सोचता था. तो तभी उसे लगा कि ये जो दुनिया है, ये दुनिया भी एक चूहेदानी है. दिस वर्ल्ड इज ऑल्सो अ रैट ट्रैप, and we are all rats and we get trapped in it, and when we get trapped we cannot come out of it. So he was thinking this world is also a rat trap, a big rat trap, and we are all rats. And sometimes people, they just put some expensive things and items so that we go steal and we are caught by the police, because he was doing petty thievery also. वो छोटी मोटी चोरियां भी करता था अपनी जिंदगी चलाने के लिए, वो सिर्फ रैट ट्रैप नहीं बेचता था. तो वैसे वो सोचता है, और चलते चलते वो एक क्रॉफ्टर के घर के आगे आता है जो आयरन फैक्ट्री में वो काम करते हैं, लुहार जो होते हैं. लेकिन अब वो क्रॉफ्टर क्या करता है, वो पहले काम करता था, अब नहीं काम करता. तो वो गाय रखता है. ही कीप्स काउ एंड देन ही सेल्स मिल्क आउट ऑफ इट, एंड ही गोज एंड गिव द मिल्क टू डेयरी, एंड फ्रॉम देयर ही गेट्स मनी. So one fine day he came there, and otherwise people were not entertaining him. कोई भी उनको अपने घर में रुकने के लिए कोई जगह नहीं देता था. लेकिन ये क्रॉफ्टर भी बेचारा अकेला था. तो एक शाम वो भटकते भटकते उसके पास पहुंच गया. तो उसने कहा चलो आओ मेरे घर में बैठ जाओ. उसने उसके साथ कार्ड्स खेले, मजोलिस, कार्ड का नाम, जो वो गेम का नाम मजोलिस. He played majolis with him, and then he offered him supper also. He ate also, but before sleeping he showed him कि देखो मैं जो अपने गाय से जो मैं दूध निकालता हूँ, वॉट एवर द मिल्क आई एम getting from my cows, I am selling them, and after selling I get some money, and you see their pouch, I have got 30 kroners the currency, so 30 kroners, and it is in that pouch and it is hung there. He shows. Now he is stuck in a trap. अब ये एक ट्रैप में फंस जाता है क्योंकि इसे मालूम है कि 30 क्रोनर्स वहां पर है, और इसके दिमाग में ये चलने लगता है कि मैं कैसे चोरी करूं, कैसे इसको चोरी कर लूं। ना इसे पता पड़ती कि उसमें 30 क्रोनर्स है, ना ये चोरी करने के लिए सोचता। तो ये तभी इसे लगा कि देखो दुनिया तो एक रैट ट्रैप है ही है, द वर्ल्ड इज अ रैट ट्रैप। नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग दे बोथ गेट अप and he goes out for his work, and peddler also goes to sell his rat trap. But after a while he comes back, he breaks the glass of the window, the opposite side the pouch was hung, and उसे वो फोड़कर, वो ग्लास को तोड़कर, and उसमें से जाकर वो 30 क्रोनर्स निकाल लेता है। अब 30 क्रोनर्स निकाल तो लेता है, he has stolen those 30 kroners, but what to do with those 30 kroners? If the police comes to know, if the crofter complains, then what will happen? He will be caught and put to jail. To save himself, instead of taking the path, the current path, he takes the path of the jungle. He goes into the jungle and he gets lost, and then he thought again, see, I told that the world is a rat trap, but I did not even listen to my meditations. जो मैंने सोचा था मैंने उसको ही नहीं किया, लेकिन अब तो मैं फंस गया हूँ, मुझे तो ये लगता है कि मैं जंगल में ही मर जाऊंगा। Then he thought that he was thinking कि he is now caught in a rat trap and now he will die in the jungle itself, because there was no exit. He could not find any exit. वो कहीं से भी निकल नहीं पा रहा था। वो कहाँ से निकलता? वो तो एक rat trap में फंस चुका था। उसने खुद ही सोचा था कि this world is a big rat trap, और लोग इसमें सोने जेवर एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा रख देते हैं इधर उधर कि हम उसको जाकर चोरी करें, हमारे मन में लालच हो, हम उसे जाकर चोरी करें, वो हमें पकड़े और हमें पुलिस को दे दे। और यही आज मैंने किया। अब ये उसके बाद से जब वो चलते 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 ही कम्स अ लिटिल फॉरवर्ड, देन ही कैन हियर साउंड ऑफ आयरन मेल्टिंग एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स. इट वॉज अ वेरी कोल्ड विंटर नाइट. So when he went little further, he could see the furnace and little fire. He could see fire and a person who had wooden shoes and long, garb, kind of black gown, kind of those who blacksmiths, those who wear. And he was putting all those coal and putting in the furnace and all. He was melting. He was melting iron. It was an iron factory. He goes there and he says, "Can I sit here?" Then he says, "Okay," because he was busy. That worker was busy in his work, so he says, "Okay, you go sit." And when he sat there, his cloth was all drenched, because it was very cold, with dew, with mist, dew drops, and perhaps it was raining in the forest, so he was continuously drenched. He sits there and steam also comes out of it. Then suddenly the iron factory master, he comes, and when he sees this person, he says that he confuses him for his friend. He thinks that his friend captain is there, and he asks him to come home, but he says no, because once he was already trapped. He had this greed, थोड़ी सी तो उसे लालच, he had this that I should go, but then he said no, I will not get again caught in this rat trap, and he refuses, and he says no, I am not your friend and I cannot go. He just refuses. He says, "Okay, captain, if you are refusing me, but now I am coming, and I am coming with a person to whom you cannot refuse." He goes home and he comes back with his daughter Edla. Edla is a very sincere and very plain looking girl, and this iron factory master was staying alone because his sons were away and he had already lost his wife, and this Edla and he used to stay there, and they had servants also. So Edla persuaded, and then why did he agree when Edla was persuading? Because he thought कि what's the harm यार, अगर वो फिर उस rat trap में फंस जाता है, what's the harm यार, because मैं चला जाता हूँ, और अच्छा है टुमारो इज क्रिसमस, सो दे वांट समबडी टू बी देयर फॉर डिनर, सो क्रिसमस ईव के लिए, तो मैं चला जाता हूँ और खा पी के अच्छे तरीके से, और कुछ ये पैसे भी दे देंगे, अच्छे कपड़े भी दे देंगे, अब ये मुझे अपने दोस्त समझ रहे हैं तो क्या है, मैं चला जाता हूँ. एंड देन ही फाइनली अग्रीज एंड ही गोज विद देम. व्हेन ही गोज देयर, the servants give him bath, shave, everything, and when he comes down dressed up, then this iron factory the owner, he says, come on, you're not my friend, you're not my friend, you are somebody else. Then he said, I was telling you that I was somebody else, but you only were insisting. I have not cheated you. You actually were insisting. Then he got very angry and he said that I will call the police, I will call the mayor. Then Edla said that, Dad, he was not agreeing. You only stressed that he should come along, and now that we have called him, it's not good, because he should stay with us. It's not nice because we invited, so how can we just refuse, and how can we just send him? So it was like, okay, he stayed there, he had his sumptuous good dinner and everything, he went to sleep. Next morning it was Christmas, so iron factory master and Edla, they both went to the church to pray. And when they went into the church, they came to know that there is a person and who exactly looked like this peddler. तो वहाँ उनको पता चला कि कोई एक आदमी है जो किसी दूसरे आदमी की 30 क्रोनर चुरा कर भाग गया है, और जो उन्होंने हुलिया बताया वो बिल्कुल इस रैट ट्रैप सेलर के जैसा था. तो ये घर आते हैं और ये कहते हैं, आ रहे हैं घर और ये बोलते आ रहे हैं चर्च से कि नाउ एडला, ही मस्ट हैव स्टोलन एवरीथिंग, ही इज द सेम थीफ, एंड यू नो he must have stolen everything now, and this is not the correct thing which we did. We should have sent him out. And as they came down from their car, they asked their servants, is he here? They say, he is not here, he has already left. Then the iron factory master gets angry at his daughter and he says, look, I told you, no, that he would steal everything and he would go. And she said, okay, let's go inside. And then he says, all our silver cutlery and everything might have been stolen, everything. But then they ask, has he left anything else? Then the servant gives them a pouch in which 30 kroners were there, in a small rat trap, and he says it was written very nicely that a good deed can change anybody. उन्होंने यही लिखा था कि अच्छे, अगर आप किसी इंसान के साथ अच्छे तरीके से पेश आओ तो वो इंसान भी बदल जाता है. बिकॉज द वर्ल्ड वॉज वेरी क्रूअल टू हिम, द वर्ल्ड वॉज वेरी अनकाइंड टू हिम, ऑल द टाइम द वर्ल्ड वॉज एक्चुअली throwing dirt on him, the world was always blaming, putting him into jails for stealing. Nobody had come forward that he should change. But here what? Edla, with her kind heart and her goodness, had brought this transformation in him. So he had given all the 30 kroners in a small pouch, in a small rat trap, and has signed himself as the captain, because he was not the captain, but that day he felt like one, because he told, because Edla had, you can say, had made him rise to the status and to the platform of a captain. तो एडला ने अपने अच्छे कर्मों से, अपने अच्छे भाव से, अपने अच्छे बात विचार से एक सिंपल पेडलर को, रैट ट्रैप सेलर को, जो छोटी मोटी चोरियां भी करता था, उसको उसने एक कैप्टन के ओहदे तक पहुंचा दिया था अपनी अच्छाई से. तो यही इस चैप्टर से हम निष्कर्ष निकालते हैं. दिस इज द कंक्लूजन ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, कि अगर हम अच्छे हैं और किसी बुरे आदमी के साथ भी हम अच्छे से बर्ताव करते हैं तो वो आदमी भी अच्छा हो जाता है. तो एक हम अच्छाई से दुनिया को बदल सकते हैं. लेकिन अगर हम हर वक्त किसी के साथ बदतमीजी करेंगे, किसी की बात नहीं सुनेंगे, तो अगला भी उसी तरीके से हमारे साथ पेश आएगा. So the conclusion, once again I am telling you that we have to be good to others. our goodness can change millions and millions of people, those who are doing petty thievery, and can motivate them to do good work just as Etla did. So this is the gist and the summary of rat trap. आपको I hope students you must have understood. So now in 3 parts I would be doing the rat trap 1, rat trap 2, rat trap 3. In 3 parts I would be doing the elaborate teaching as well. Thank you so much.